Hi everyone. Let me check. Yeah, we are live on LinkedIn. We are live on YouTube. Yeah, looks good. I think YouTube also we are live. Let me check. Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Analytics with Anand. So today is a very, very big day. First of all, happy Independence Day to each one of you, those who are watching us live from across the country. So the reason today is very, very important day because the job guarantee program on Master Data Analytics version 2.0, along with a new program on data engineering is commencing live from today onwards. So what we'll be doing, I have called all the faculties from Analytics with Anand, those who have covered all the various modules and topics in the previous batch, and they'll be continuing with this batch too. So they will introduce themselves one by one. And also I have called few of the students, those who have got job from the previous batch. Although it was not a job guarantee program, it was just a master data analytics course, but still they were able to crack this job. So we will be having lots of discussion. Any doubt anywhere, feel free to post your queries on LinkedIn. You can watch us live from LinkedIn or on YouTube also, right? So here we go. I'll get it started. So very, very happy Independence Day to each one of you. Rohit, Tarun, Prateek, Vikal, those who are joining, Santan, everyone is watching live from YouTube, and also a few folks have joined, and Rag have joined on LinkedIn. So feel free to post your query, concern. I'll be watching live all your comments. Happy Independence Day, Namita, and Happy Independence Day, Rahul. Right? So let's get it started straight away. I'll be sharing my screen. Just hold on, and then we are good to go. Share screen. Yeah. So let me know if you can share the screen. So as far as course is concerned, so this is the homepage. If you have not visited Analytics with Anand, just type on Google Analytics with Anand, you'll get this homepage. So if you go through the course tab, you just need to click on the course tab, and all the course whichever you want in the data analytics segment, what is all those top trending technology, be it SQL, be it Python, be it Snowflake, everything we are discussing here, it in great detail, right? I don't know how other YouTube channel or other people are doing. I don't care. But here we teach everything in great depth, right? Be it master data analytics version 2.0, using cloud technologies, the AI, or job guarantee program, or any ETL tool. If you want to master it here, we have everything lined up for you. All you need, go to the Analytics Anand and go to the course section where you can browse all these courses, right? Where you can browse all these courses. Right. Before going into very detailed syllabus, I have a very exciting group of faculties at Analytics with Anand. You know, most of you who might be knowing, those who don't know. So I'm Anand Shah. I work as a product engineer, lead AI in the intellect design. Overall 7+ years of experience in multiple verticals, skill sets you can see. So anytime if you need any career mentorship, not only me, any faculty at Analytics with Anand, feel free to reach out. I will walk through their profile, and soon one by one they will introduce themselves. Right. So anytime if you are stuck with any of your career path, feel free to reach out to me. So you can go. I'll give you this link in the chat also, where if you have not joined with me, feel free to share me the request on LinkedIn. Next we have Prachi Kabra, who will be joining soon in the next few minutes. She will be taking your complete Python course in and out along with me. Right. So Prachi Kabra, you can connect with her also. Next, we have Karan, a very eminent personality guy. You keep seeing him all on the YouTube channel related to any Power BI. He is the Power BI expert here at Analytics with Anand. Right, soon he has also joined. He'll be introducing soon. Next we have Uttam Kumar. I think Uttam is traveling, but he'll be joining soon with us. He's a very lead lead data engineer, also ML engineer. He will be taking your PySpark and the complete Azure module, which I'll discuss one by one slowly. Then we have Jack Carroll, who is a lead Tableau developer. You can see all his certification and all those things. So anytime, if you need any Tableau course, feel free to reach out to Jack, right? Through Analytics with Anand, he has got very rich experience in order to teach all these subjects in Tableau. Any Tableau related doubt, anything you are stuck in Tableau, Jay is the one-man guy. You can approach him. Next, we have a very eminent, again, a guy, Pushkar. He has joined us live. I'll be asking him to turn on his camera and then he can talk about himself. He's a very good guy for coming back to Excel, Power BI, and Power Query. So you can also feel free to add him on LinkedIn, reach out to him on LinkedIn, right? Next, we have Priya Singh, of course, Azure teacher, right? She's Azure certified. Anything, if you need in Azure, feel free to reach out to Priya, feel free to reach out to Uttam, right? That's why I'm sharing their portfolio. That's why I'm sharing their profile. Next, at last, we have Renita, my ex-student, and also a very good coming back to an ETL tool, Matillion. She'll be coming along with me and she'll be helping you with Matillion. So this was all about the faculties. Those who are a part of Analytics with Anand. One by one, I'll ask them to turn on their camera and I'll ask them to talk about themselves and what are the part which they have covered in the previous course and what are the things which they'll be covering in this course. I'll start with, I think, I won't take much time. Let's start with, I think, Pushkar is there. Pushkar, over to you. Yeah.
Hi everyone. Hi Anand. Unfortunately, I'm not able to turn on the camera.
No worries.
It's not working. I'm not sure. Yeah.
No
So hello everyone and good morning. So yes. So in previous section, in a previous batch, I have taken the Excel, right? And in that we have started from very basics, right? And we took it to the very upfront and the advanced level, which we can call a Power Query and the automatic reports and all these things. And at last, we have also conducted one project where all students have built one project on their own. Yeah, definitely I took the live project, but yeah, they have created on their own the dashboard and all the functionality. So in Excel, we have almost covered 90% of the part which is required for your future, right? Which is required for your new job opportunities. And the same thing we are going to do for this batch as well. And this time we are going to add more things and which will be the most demanding thing, which is AI, right?
Yeah.
AI integration into Excel. And this will be the best part for this course, right? Because these topics we have not covered in our last batch, but this time we are going to cover in this batch. So this will be very exciting in the Excel, right? Because there's many things which you will come to know first time and which is definitely going to help you in your upcoming future, right? So that's it from my side, and thanks Anand for inviting
us. Thanks Pushkar for joining. Yeah. Right? Okay. Thanks Pushkar. Next we have, guys, I'll be discussing this, whatever Pushkar has talked about in Excel, we'll be discussing more in depth as we go further down the line. Feel free to post your queries. Pushkar, one questions I have, if you can answer to the folks, how Excel holds importance in the data analytics and business analytics industry, and why Excel should be the starting point for any data analytics business analyst, those who wants to establish their career. This is the very important question which I felt which you should answer. Yeah.
Definitely, Excel is the very basic tool, right? And it is the most convenient tool for all the professions, right? Yeah. And which are who are young or who are more experienced, right? So if you're not good with the Excel, definitely they will consider you as you are lacking some basic skills, right?
Yes.
So Excel is the spreadsheet. These are, I mean, it is going to use in all organization. It is going to use. It is already getting used, and in future also it is keeping its popularity. Right. So this is very basic tool because all technical, you will not find everyone who have the all technical knowledge of all new tools, but Excel is the tool which you will know everyone from small business to very large organizations, right? Even a big force, or if you consider McKinsey, anything, right? So any MBB company. So Excel will be the basic need. So if you are proficient in Excel, definitely it will add value to your professional career.
Thanks, Pushkar. Thanks for adding value to that. So guys, feel free to reach out to the Pushkar profile. I'll be sharing you. You can reach out to LinkedIn for any help related to Excel. Anyhow, he's a part of Analytics with Anand. So we'll be covering that. Thanks, Pushkar. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Next, let's see who is there in the line. Prachi, are you there?
Yes, Anand. Hi.
Yeah, over to
Happy
you.
Independence.
Yeah, over to you. You can go ahead.
So, hi everyone. I'm Prachi, and currently I'm working in Tech Mahindra as a software engineer, and I'm gonna teach you Python. So, about the Python, Anand, can you share?
I'm sharing the screen. 1 second.
Yeah. So apart from this, I hold a 2+ years of experience as a software engineer, and I have a working knowledge on Python, and as well as I'm looking forward to uh, teaching you guys.
Yeah. So along with Prachi, I'll be also handling you guys Python, where we'll be covering entire concepts on Python, right? Using AI. AI part, I have not added it. AI part also I'll add it. We have very dedicated project which Prachi has developed, right, related to AI, that you'll be soon seeing live coming on my YouTube channel. That is also a part of the project. So we have tried to integrate AI everywhere, wherever it is possible, be it SQL, be it Snowflake, be it Python. Right. So anytime if you enroll in any of the course at here at Analytics with Anand, you have the faculty, you can reach out to them. We have a dedicated WhatsApp group for all these doubt sessions. So you don't have to worry at all. Here, there is no sales people involved. None of you, if you are watching us live, you won't see any sales people coming here, right? We don't have any sales team here who is working on. You are directly interacting with faculty. You are directly interacting with me. That's the beauty here. There's no sales guy. You'll never get any call from the salesperson from Analytics with Anand. So this is how we operate. We analyze your weak area. We analyze where do you stand, and accordingly, we recommend that courses as per your profile, right? Trust me, those who are from the non-technical background, you need to work really, really hard. Karan, I will be handing over to Karan, where he will discuss this entire thing. So before handing over to Karan, let's have some few folks who have joined from the previous batch, and let's see their also success story, how it has transformed their journey, how was their journey coming from to the non-technical background. Especially, I'll start with the Vatsala. If you can hear me, if you can turn on the camera, if that's possible for you, and talk about your journey with Analytics in Anand so far. Yeah, over to you, Vatsala.
Okay, hi, Anand sir. Thank you for inviting me. Actually, my camera is not working.
Okay, no worries.
Hi everyone. My name is Vatsala, and currently I'm working as a data analyst, as a senior data analyst in Mumbai. So yeah, I came from a completely non-technical background. I done my master's in plant biology, which is completely non-technical. So when I joined Analytics with Anand, so Anand sir provided me a excellent mentorship, and I learned Snowflake, SQL, Power BI, and it helped me a lot my interview, and I cracked my first ever interview. So yeah, thank you so much, Anand sir, for my career transition, and I'm looking forward for the next new opportunities. And currently I enrolled myself in data engineering course. So yeah, that's all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Anand sir, for your
Vatsala, if you can share your journey, how did you overcome, since you are coming from the non-technical background? So did you find SQL or Python or any module for data analytics to be on the tougher side? How was your journey?
So as I'm from a non-technical background, it's a bit difficult for me to grab the things. But if you have a good mentorship and if you work hard, so it's not an impossible thing. You can easily transit or do the transition. So yeah.
Great. So see, guys, we have folks from non-technical also. So those who have joined this course from the non-technical background, anytime, if you feel free to talk to any of my students, any of the faculty. Vatsala is there already, LinkedIn profile. I'm sharing her right on the screen. So feel free to reach out and feel free to have a word with her and understand how was her journey. And if you face any trouble course down the line, you feel free to reach out to any faculty or to her. Thanks, Vatsala. Next, we have Sanmeet Singh. Yeah, Sanmeet. Over to you.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes.
So, hi everyone. My name is Sanmeet Singh, and I joined Answer's course back in 2022 when he was teaching in iNeuron. And currently, I'm working in S&P Global as a lead data analyst. And after completing the course, I did a lot of hard work, and also Anand sir really helped me to guide me to a right path. And not just that, he also provided he referred me to his company Coforge, and unfortunately, I wasn't able to crack the interview due to some reasons.
No worries.
And but yeah, but after giving the Coforge interview, I had two offer letters. One from Cars24 as a business analyst, and the second offer is from S&P Global as a lead data analyst.
Great.
So yeah, I mean, all the tech skills which you required to be a good data analyst or a business analyst or in any other related field, I think this course has all of it. I think I have referred almost 7 to 8 people to
Thank you so much,
get
Sandeep.
to get on roll to this course and get the knowledge, know about the industry, and get the real-time project,
Mhm.
the industry-based project, basically,
Mhm.
experience on that,
Mhm.
hands-on automation projects, how to work on AWS, how to work on Azure, how to integrate all these tools. So
Mhm.
yeah, it's really great. And thank you, Anand, sir, for the help.
No worries, always.
Always,
Talk
yeah.
about something, those who are newcomers, especially, I see that people coming from the non-technical background, how they should plan their next 8 months or 1 year down the line. What's your strategy? I want to hear from you guys, since you guys have cracked different various data analyst senior position level jobs. So what is a piece of advice, how they should target their journey? Yeah.
That's a very good question. And guys, I come from a non-tech background. Just to give you an overview, I've done economics honors from Delhi
Wow.
University, and after completing my graduation, I had an experience in operations, backend operations
Mhm.
in FIS,
Mhm.
right? So coming from backend operations to a data analyst is itself a journey, right?
Mhm.
So I would really suggest you to do the self-learning part. Self-learning in this industry is never ending.
Mhm.
Doesn't matter how much skills do you have. The tool is updating every 2 months. You see, Metallion is here now, right, in the
Mhm.
industry. 2 years back, Metallion was not there,
Not there, right?
right?
Exactly.
So keep evolving, keep learning. You have the right guy to teach you the right skills, and just keep motivating yourself and do not stop the self-learning part. That is all what I have to say. If you stop the self-learning, self-practicing, just give 2-3 hours daily of whatever he is teaching you, whatever he is teaching you, just give it a quick revision, do the analysis on the same uh, topic which you have studied. For example, you have studied group by or window functions today.
Mhm.
So just give 2 to 3 hours, that is max. Just give it that. Uh, Solve different problems with the same topic which you have learned today, and that's it. You'll land on your job, and and have patience, please.
Yeah, that is the most important thing. I
Yeah,
was coming to
have
that point.
patience. I completed my course on May 2023. I got the offer letter on September, so I had to wait for 4 months, right?
Yes.
Have patience, wait for the right moment, and you will land onto your dream job for sure.
Thanks, Anvi. Thanks for that input. Yeah, patience is the most important thing, guys. If you want to
Yeah.
excel in any industry, you have to keep the
Yes.
patience.
Yes.
Nowadays,
You
I
have to.
keep seeing all these Gen Z's course खत्म नहीं हुआ सर 1 महीने में job
Yes.
चाहिए.
Correct. Correct.
पहले पढ़ लो
And
अच्छे से. Yeah.
yes, I'll share one more thing. This last thing, I won't take much time of yours.
No worries.
I completed the course on May 2023. I
Mhm.
quitted my job, previous job, FIS. It was a work from home job.
Mhm.
Okay, I was getting paid. I quitted that job on May 2023. Once
Mhm.
I completed my course, I took a risk to that. I know I have to transit my career from a BPO job to a data analyst job.
Mhm.
I had to quit my career. I used to study about 5 to 6 hours a day.
Mhm.
Python, SQL, Power BI, and then statistics, all those things, right? So you have to work hard on this. I'm not saying that you need to quit your job. If you think you can do it, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's up to you, right? But I had to take that risk, and it worked for me.
Okay. Thanks, Anvi.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, guys, feel free to reach out to him if you have any concern, any related doubt also. Sanmit is there, already LinkedIn ID I have shared. Yeah, okay. Yeah, over to you, Akshit. We have another very eminent personality from our past Master Data Analytics course. Yeah, Akshit, over to you. How was your journey? Yeah,
Hi, hello sir, how are you?
I'm good,
How are
I'm
you?
good.
How are you everyone? Uh, so first of all, thank you so much, sir, for inviting me. The thing is, like I never thought like I will be coming to a session like this where I used to take classes from you, and now I'll be sharing my story. So
Yes,
basically, yeah, I'm really excited, guys. I would like to tell you this is Akshit Dadich, and I come from a non-tech background. Basically, I was a digital marketer for quite a few
sorry
years.
to interrupt, Akshit. Guys,
Yes,
you have seen all the three folks, Vatsala, and then Sanmeet, and then Akshit, all are from non-technical. We have not come part to anyone who is from the technical. Everyone is from the non-technical, guys. So you see the power which data analytics, which this course holds on. Okay, yeah, continue, Akshit.
yeah, sir. So, everyone, I was a digital marketer for quite a few years. Then one day, like when the first time I used ChatGPT, to be honest, I really wanted to switch my careers because I knew the content side part, like it will be taken over soon by AI and all. And I was, to be honest, like bored in my other field. So I thought I'll give data analytics a try, and I was just looking around YouTube and all. At that point of time, I had no clear vision, clear idea. I saw one of my friend who suggested me Anand sir, to be honest. He was Vaibhav Joshi, and he
Okay.
said कि learn from his exact word were आनंद सर से पढ़ो, थोड़ा चिल्लाएंगे पर आनंद सर बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाएंगे. His exact word were like that, words were like that. So I knew, I took the course, and basically I took the iNeuron course, and starting se end tak it was Anand sir who taught us. And one thing I can give you guarantee is that sir is a really good tutor. Even if I need to learn anything new, I'll go to him. He when he knows if he knows the technologies, I know he can teach it to me. So I will, to be honest, I'll completely say like you can blindly trust Anand sir, and the things that he'll teach you. And the second biggest factor that will come in between you and the job that you want to get in this career is your self learning, obviously. And that will everyone in this world will agree to this, that your self learning part is the most important part. Anand sir is a good tutor, but if you are not putting in the work, then like it's not worth it. So
Correct.
basically, like I also took like a lot of datas from Kaggle and all, and I practiced. I, to be honest, like did SQL, Power BI, Excel, and I was lucky enough to get a job. Like I did work hard on it. But if you learn Python also, that will be really really beneficial for you in this current market. And yeah, just keep your head down and be disciplined and learn from sir, and he will take you to the right place. And I can vouch for that. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Akshit. Thanks. Next, we have who's next in the line. Next, let's call our another faculty. Let's give a pause for a while. Priya, over to you. Yeah. Priya, you're there? Hello? Priya, are you there? She's there. She's listening to me. I think she's on mute. Okay. By the time she comes, who's next in the line? I have my one of my students from my current company, right? She's a part of my team. Yeah, Dharni, over to you.
Hello, Anand, can you hear me now?
Okay, Priya is there. Okay. Sorry, Dharni. Yeah, over to you, Priya. Go ahead.
Yes. Hi, everyone. Good morning. Myself, Priya Singh, and I'm currently working with Accenture, and I'm having around 3 plus years of experience, and I'm Azure certified and Databricks. As you can see the certification over there, right, over the screen. So if you have any doubt regarding the certification part, you can reach out to me. And in earlier batch, I have reached Azure from scratch to the master level. And yeah, if you want to master Azure, yes, please join the course. It's the best course I would say you can join, and you can transform your career over here.
Yeah.
And here in this batch, I will be taking DBT, which is an ETL tool. So yeah,
looking forward to you to join the course.
Great, great. So for any Azure related doubt, Uttam and Priya is the one-shot person to reach out. Okay, guys. So okay, thanks, Priya. Next, who have in the line? Next, we have. Let's call our another students. I'll call. Abhay is there. Yeah, Abhay.
Hello.
Hi, Abhay. We can hear you.
Hi, sir. Happy Independence Day, sir.
Happy Independence Day. Yeah.
First of all, sir, I want to thank you for all the guidance you did
No
in my
worries, no
career
worries.
growth.
Most welcome.
And-
Always, always. I'm there for you all. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. How was your journey? Let's talk about that.
Sir, actually, I started working as the executive in the facility management services.
Okay. You were also from the non-technical background.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again,
Yes, sir.
see, one more person. Yeah. Okay. So how was the journey?
I think I am the most recent example. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then actually, while working, I was involved in preparing MIS, MMR, and all
Uh-huh.
this. So I got fascinated about working on the Excel and all
Okay.
these reports, preparation of reports. Then I started searching for the switching, and for that I started searching for the courses so that I can be expert in the data analysis tools. And
Okay.
actually, sir, there are many courses in the market.
Right. It's
Uh,
flooded now. Yeah.
but sir, they are they charge very heavy,
Mhm.
2 to 3 lakhs rupees. I think it is not very financially viable for the people like me.
Correct.
Yes. So, sir, I choose the very basic option. And at that time, you were with you were with iNeuron team, and
Mhm.
I joined your course for the full stack data analysis in November 2022.
Mhm.
And sir, after completing the course, I started searching for the job. But sir, I think the recession hit the job market very
Yeah.
badly,
Mhm.
and I was a little bit frustrated at times. You can see I was depressed at times. But sir, after 15 days, I always started learning again and again, learning more and more,
Okay.
and didn't give up, sir.
Very good. So
No,
how much time did it took for you to land a successful career as a data analyst overall?
sir, after completion of the course, it took near about 1 year.
Imagine, guys, that's why I say patience is the key. After completing the course, it
Yes,
took
sir.
him 1 year to land a
Yes,
job.
sir.
So do not be
Very,
in a
very
hurry.
important, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
It is very important to for having the patience.
exactly.
Yes, sir. And the very important thing that you taught, like MS Excel and MySQL, these are the basic tools.
Correct.
You have to be very, very pro in these two tools.
Okay.
And yes, sir, your courses helped me a lot. I learned even Snowflake from your YouTube channels also.
Yes.
I don't think anyone has created such content on YouTube for free.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thanks.
sir.
Thanks, Abhay. It was nice talking to you. Thanks a lot. So, guys, patience is the key. Okay, patience is the key. Next, we have Subhajit. Subhajit, can you unmute yourself and speak? Hello, Subhajit, are you there? Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you turn on your camera if that's possible for you?
Let me check, sir. Give me a few minutes.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
hope I am visible enough.
Yeah, you are visible enough, Subhajit. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So, good morning, all, and very good Independence Day. So, sir, everyone is speaking in English only. So, I thought today is the Independence Day, so I should
बोल
speak in
सकते हो,
Hindi.
हिंदी में बोल सकते हो, कोई बड़ा बात नहीं, हिंदी में बोल
Okay,
सकते
sir.
हो।
Sir,
People are watching
listen.
across the country, that's why I have started Hindi. जैसा मन करे वैसा बोलो। Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. सर अभी रिसेंटली मैंने C5I में मेरा प्लेसमेंट हो गया, तो इसके पीछे सर आपका बहुत बड़ी हाथ,
चलो,
क्योंकि सर जैसे मैंने एक्सेल से लेके हर एक चीज आपसे सीखा, तो वो मैं जैसे रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट में भी अप्लाई किया था। जैसे आपने देखा, मैंने फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था उस ग्रुप में, एसडीएस में, तो उससे मुझको बहुत कुछ चीजें सीखने को मिल गया। तो वो जो मैंने चीजें जब मैंने इंटरव्यूअर को दिखाया, मैंने एक मेरा खुद का एक वेबसाइट भी बनाया था। उस वेबसाइट में जो कोई भी क्लिक करता है ना, तो मेरा हर एक चीज उसको दिख जाता है। तो उससे एक इंटरव्यूअर को आइडिया लग जाता था, ये बंदा कैसा है, ये क्या क्या काम किया है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सर, आई ऑल्सो हैव कनेक्टेड विद hundreds HRs, okay, तो सर उन लोगों के मैं मेल
हाँ।
करता था, मतलब कोल्ड ईमेल ये सब करता रहता था। तो आपसे भी सर बहुत टाइम मैंने ये पूछा था, सर कहीं पर हायरिंग चल रहा है क्या, कुछ चल रहा है क्या, किसी को जानते हो आप?
तुमने
सर
बहुत अच्छा
बहुत
प्रोफाइल बनाया, लिंक्डइन का प्रोफाइल बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा है। तो गाइस ऐसे ही आपके प्रोफाइल होने चाहिए लिंक्डइन, पूरा इन एंड आउट, बस प्रोफाइल देख के ही पता लग जाए कि ये बंदा डेटा एनालिस्ट में काम करता है, ऐसे प्रोफाइल आपके होने चाहिए। ठीक है, दैट आई विल बी गाइडिंग इट। या कंटिन्यू शिवाजीत।
एंड सर इस तरीके से हर एक चीजें मैंने सीखा। मैं भी नॉट नॉन बैक, यू नो, मैं एमबीए से हूँ, बेसिकली एमबीए किया हूँ मैं। इतना टेक्निकली एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, बट ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई हैव लर्न दोस थिंग्स। उसके बाद सर जैसे यहाँ पर आप देख ही सकते हो सब कुछ है
काफी
अवेलेबल।
अच्छा तुमने ये पोर्टफोलियो बनाया, बाकी लोग को हेल्प करो। आई लाइक दिस, ये अच्छा लगा मुझे। मैंने
हाँ,
भी
अगर सर
ये मैंने
आपका
देखा नहीं
आपका
है,
कोई
बहुत अच्छा है। सीवी किसी को
आप
डाउनलोड करना है तो तुम्हारा सीवी डाउनलोड कर सकता है,
यस
ये
सर,
बहुत बढ़िया बात है। ठीक है,
यस सर,
कैसे
अगर
बना ये?
अगर अगर आपका कोई भी स्टूडेंट मुझको रीच आउट करता
हाँ
है
ठीक
कि
है
ऐसा
ठीक है, सो
प्रोफाइल
गाइस
बनाने
रीच
के
आउट टू
लिए,
शुभाजी इफ यू नीड एनी
आई
हेल्प
विल
इन
हेल्प।
बिल्डिंग पोर्टफोलियो। काफी अच्छा लग रहा है, काफी प्रोफेशनल लग रहा है ये, बहुत अच्छे से बनाया तुमने। वेरी
थैंक
गुड
यू सर,
वर्क आई वुड से।
थैंक यू सर। और यहाँ पर आप अगर जाओगे तो हर एक प्रोजेक्ट, हर एक सर्टिफिकेशन, सब
सबका
कुछ मिल
सर्टिफिकेट
जाता
डिटेल्स भी तुमने डाला है बहुत अच्छे
है।
से,
राइट,
बहुत बढ़िया। आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड, बहुत अच्छा है ये तो।
तो सर जैसे ये एक्सेल है,
हाँ,
और आपका सर फर्स्ट वाला दिखाइए जो पावर, हाँ, डिटेल एनालिसिस, वहां पर
ये
आपका ये
बहुत ही
प्रोजेक्ट है।
अच्छा वे है सुभाजीत, ये बहुत अच्छा तरीका है, ये तो एकदम यूनिक है। मतलब मेरे को कहीं जाना ही नहीं, तुम्हारा मतलब पोर्टफोलियो थ्रू सब मुझे मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे,
राइट
प्रोजेक्ट
सर,
वगैरह। ठीक है, एक
राइट।
सेशन रखता हूँ तुम्हारे साथ, गाइड कर देना स्टूडेंट को। सो गाइस विल बी कीपिंग वन सेशन ऑन दिस, सुभाजीत विल बी टेकिंग एंड he'll be guiding you how to build this portfolio। काफी अच्छा लगा मुझे।
ओके, श्योर श्योर श्योर।
ठीक है,
एंड
यश।
सर यही सब था हमारे कॉलेज में। बेसिकली जो डेटा एनालिटिक्स आती है वो आपका बीटेक वाले स्टूडेंट को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देती है।
हाँ
तो
हाँ
इसी बार भी सेम ही हाल हुआ था हमारे लिए। सिर्फ दो कंपनियां आई थी, एक ब्लिंकिट आई थी और एक आपका C5i।
हाँ
यहाँ
हाँ।
पर C5i के लिए मैं बहुत एफर्ट डाला था और मुझको C5i में हो भी गया। बट द थिंग इज, ब्लिंकिट में मेरा नहीं हुआ। बट ब्लिंकिट में बहुत कुछ सीखा, कैसे प्रिपरेशन लेना चाहिए, क्या क्या चीजें मास्टर करनी चाहिए, ये सब कुछ चीजें मैंने सीखा सर। और ये सब चीजें आपके साथ भी मैंने बहुत बार शेयर किया हूँ, और मैं हर एक स्टूडेंट को बोलना चाहूंगा जो आपके थ्रू सीखना चाहता है ये सब चीजें, they should master the SQL. It's very important. They should master the Excel. It is everywhere, it is needed everywhere, it's needed. They should know how the things is work, when they will be watching the data, they have to understand which type of KPI they should need, which type of chart they should make. So they have good understanding regarding of these things, and I have learned these things from you, sir. Frankly
थैंक यू
speaking, I
सो
have learned
मच।
these things from you, and I will tell you everyone that they should learn these things, step by step way. And if they are very patient enough, if they are very dedicated enough, they will achieve. That's my mantra, and that's mantra I have learned from you, sir.
Thank you so much. So we'll keep one session, guys, with Subhajit, and he'll be walk through how to create this portfolio. I'm really amazed seeing the kind of portfolio which he has built. This is really, really exciting. I mean, this will really intrigue anyone, those who will be watching his profile. And that too, he has given the link. It's highly professional. This is how each one of you, if you want to establish career as a data analyst, this is how your profile has to look. Just by seeing the top part only, it should get the feel. And your portfolio website, if you have any website, any portfolio which you have built, this link should be there. I'll ask Subhajit especially to work on this, and we'll all create like this. This is really, really great. I think so. Yeah.
Sure, sir. I will help you.
Okay. Thanks, Subhajit. Yeah.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir.
a lot. Next we have Priyadarshini. Yeah. What to you, Priyadarshini?
Yeah, hello Anand sir, hello all, and wish you a very happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Yeah, thank you. So, like a bit about myself, firstly, Anand sir, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.
My
And
pleasure.
yeah, and a bit about myself, my background. So, I'm an engineering graduate, but not from IT or computer science. So, I didn't have any prior coding knowledge.
Okay.
Before joining the analytics course, I didn't have had any coding background. So
Okay.
I graduated during COVID times, and after that, like I was saying, like in the COVID time, the job market was not that good. So
Yes.
like I didn't had any relevant skills for IT
Uh,
industry. So after a lot of research, I thought that yeah, data analytics is something that I can vouch for. So therefore, like I joined iNeuron at that time. You were the faculty
Part
there.
of that course, yeah.
Yeah. So I learned SQL, Snowflake, Power BI from you, and after that, like your guidance helped me a lot. So I made lot of projects after that. I uploaded that on LinkedIn. All your guidance, like LinkedIn optimization, the chart preparation and Power BI reports, SQL practice. You told to practice SQL as much as you can. So like SQL was my savior. So I practiced a lot of SQL. So SQL was my savior. So, my interview also it was majorly on SQL only, and the job which I am in right now, it is 90 to 95% SQL only.
SQL only, yes.
Yeah, SQL, because I'm more into the development side. So so SQL is everything, and SQL knowledge has helped me a lot. So one thing that I need to tell that like SQL should be strong and practice as much as you can. I practice SQL. You only said that practice as much as you can. So I practice lot of SQL from every platform, like be it HackerRank or anything. In between classes also, like you used to give many SQL questions, with small SQL questions you used to give. So that was very helpful for me. Uh, Regarding Power BI also, like you asked to share your screen and share your charts and reports. So from that, I learned many things, literally many things. So after making project, after 2 to 3 months, I landed in a job. So thank you so much.
Oh, within 2 months only you landed a job?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Very good. Thank you so much. Help other also players. If they reach out to you for any support, feel free to help them all. Yeah, that's how we progress.
Sure.
We learn, we progress, and we help others. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Then I would ask Dharni to go ahead and speak. She is a part of my current project, guys. We both work in the same team, the same company. Over to you, Dharni.
Hi Anand, hi everyone. Sorry, I
Hi,
cannot
everyone.
turn on my video. So happy Independence Day, everyone. I would say like it's a great opportunity. I have previously I joined iNeuron course like full stack data analytics course. So at that time, Anand teaching us like on SQL, Power BI, Excel. So by that time, I was a associate data engineer in one of the company. But I'm not sure what is data engineer, what is data analyst, what is data scientist. The difference also I was not able because that is my beginning of my career. So I thought I was working on SQL, Snowflake, these things. So let's have an opportunity to learn this like analytics tools like Power BI, Tableau, how the things we can work on, what kind of projects we work on. Like as a data engineer also, we should know the analytic tools because maybe in the future we have to work on. So I took that course and Anand is teaching that Tableau, Power BI, and Excel and SQL in depth and also along with the Python also. By that time, like I was learning all the things, many things, and most of the people are asking doubts, and we have few assignments also there. So I learned many things. So this is the progress before 2 years, and after 2 years now I'm working in intellect design as a data engineer. I do have a 3+ years of experience. Now I'm working closely with Anand. We are in the same team, so I know how much effort Anand is giving in your life. Like every day he was working there, and he was giving end-to-end updates there, and also he was giving a course now to your students. Like also he was giving updates in LinkedIn on YouTube channel also. You can understand how much efforts Anand is giving to share the knowledge to your students. So if you have any doubts, take all the doubts from Anand and learn all the things. So he was the best person to share in and out from the data analytics or data engineering, anything. Take the course, and I would definitely suggest to my friends also to take that course and learn from Anand. And if you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to Anand. So the best course I would say, and this is the best person as a teacher. So you can also understand I'm closely working with him. Even I was surprised who was the person who teach me that Power BI and Excel. I'm working with him currently. It's the best opportunity I got in my life also, and he's the best person as a teacher and as a colleague and everything. So all the best for you guys. So if you have any doubts, feel free to ask Anand or me. All the colleagues, and Anand is the best person to teach data analytics. So don't feel like I have a doubt or how to ask this, or if Anand is a experienced person, or maybe if I have a small doubt, maybe he can help me or not. So don't think about that. So ask all the doubts and learn the things and share your knowledge also.
Thanks, Dhani. Dhani, I have one question for you. If you can share how Snowflake and Matillion stands in today's current world. Those who are experienced, because few folks will be coming from the experience background also. So how you want to throw some light on this Matillion technology, which as a part of ANALYTICSWITHANAND we cover it, and how you are using this as a part of the current job role. Yeah, talk something about that. Why is it important to learn Snowflake and Matillion in the current situation?
Yeah, so if we can talk about Snowflake and Matillion, these two are most demanding tools in data industry now. Before 2 years, most of the people know Snowflake, but even I worked on Matillion, but most of the people are not aware of Matillion. But after 1.5 year, 2 years, so Matillion also came into the picture. Most of the companies are looking for experienced candidates or the knowledge who have experience or knowledge you have in Matillion or Snowflake. So these are the most demanding tools. Even SQL, you can manage in Snowflake. Correct. Even if you just aware of any ETL tool, you can aware of this Matillion also. You have to just practice the things inside the Matillion and Snowflake. So once you have a good experience on Snowflake, Matillion, these two things, so you can become a data engineer or data analyst based upon the project level. But these are the best main things. Even in my current company also, we are completely working on Matillion and Snowflake. So even sometimes most of the people are not aware of SQL sometimes, or even maybe ETL, what does it do? So if you know what is ETL, how to connect the components, how to get the output. So if you are aware of just basic of the SQL, so you can just implement the Matillion jobs.
Exactly.
So along with that, learn most of the things on SQL and implement the same things in Matillion and Snowflake. If you learn these two things, it definitely help you in your life.
Okay. Thanks, Dharni. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you, Anand.
Thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy. Yeah. I'll ask Uttam, since Uttam is traveling, just for 5 minutes to share his thoughts. Yeah. On the Azure part. Yeah, Uttam. Over to you. I think he's traveling. He might be in the train. Yeah, Uttam.
Hey everyone. Able to hear me?
Yes, Uttam. Loud and clear.
Okay.
Go ahead. I think you went on mute.
Sorry. Am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible now. Go ahead.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So first of all, I would like to wish everyone a happy Independence Day. Okay. So and what I will be part of or covering in this particular course is mostly on the Azure side. If I talk about the Azure side, like kind of fundamentals of what is Azure and what are the components, resources which we can create in terms of data engineer perspective, right? Similarly, we will be covering the PySpark and the ADF. So those two are very important components when you talk about Azure Data Engineer. And it's kind of, if I talk about Databricks, it's platform independent. So for example, Matillion, it's our, or any tool you consider, right? Those are like kind of platform dependent features, few features. But if you talk about Databricks, you mostly write, like you will be writing on the Spark SQL or PySpark. So basically, if you learn PySpark, right, or let's say Spark SQL, definitely, if you see any data engineering job description, right, this will be the must to have skill set. And if you are having that, so you might have like you might have seen or you might have heard from anyone, hey, if you're working on some tool specific, what if some company is not using the tool, right? So when I consider this kind of PySpark or SQL, so those are platform agnostic, right? It's not dependent on that. For example, if you know SQL, you can code on Snowflake also, right? You can code on the Databricks also. So mostly I will be covering on the PySpark things from starting in the sense the architecture till the advanced level. So I will be covering all those features which Databricks bring, right? And mostly on the Azure side. And if you talk about the features, in the if someone wants to continue in the AWS, right? Let's say they are familiar with the AWS cloud and they don't want to come in the Azure kind of territory. So that is also good for them, that they can also practice on the AWS when I compare the like PySpark things, right? So all those features which is present in Azure Databricks, the similar kind of features will be present on the AWS as well. So it's a good news for you that if you want to, let's say someone is already working on AWS and you want to learn it, let's say PySpark or Spark SQL. So you don't have to worry about that. Hey, I need to learn Azure. So no, you can practice on your AWS Databricks itself, right? So those are the things which I will be covering. And there are a lot of things has changed in the Databricks. If you have worked already, let's say in past 1 or 2 years, so if you see now what are the features the Databricks is providing is a lot, right? In terms of AI, in terms of like there is Hugging Face, kind of Mosaic AI, everything is supported. Whether you are data engineer, data analyst, whether you are data scientist, this platform is just one platform you can perform all those activities which you want to do. So this is very important platform when you are working as a data engineer, even for data engineers or data analyst also. You might be not, let's say, doing transformation and all, but yes, you might have seen that from the gold layer, right? You might be consuming those as a source. You will be consuming those tables to create the Power BI reports. So definitely you should be knowing at least how the platform looks like, what are the menus, what are the features available, so that when you get a chance, you don't like kind of afraid of that, hey, I don't know how I will be doing it, right? So it's better that you start working on that, right? So this is most important, I would say, that platform right now in Databricks field. And you can perform all those things in the Snowflake as well, all those AI, the data science, everything. But in terms of maturity of the platform, Databricks stands out, right? So definitely, if you are attending the sessions, I would recommend everyone don't miss out a single lesson on that. Okay, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thanks, Uttam. That was quite insightful. Okay. Then I'll ask our other eminent faculty, Karan. Karan, over to you. He'll be teaching you guys Power BI. Yeah.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Hi, Anand. Is my voice
Hi.
audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, first of all, everyone, happy Independence Day. I will do one thing. I'll just share my screen and quickly introduce myself. Yeah, Anand, can you please let me know if my screen is visible? Hello.
Yes, it is
Yeah,
visible. I can see.
Okay. Let me just start the presentation. First of all, let me introduce myself. Hello, everyone. My name is Karan, and I am working as a senior analyst at Ernst& Young. Ernst & Young is a Big Four company, if everybody knows here. So I just started as a senior analyst and working as a lead Power BI developer. So if anybody wants to explore my LinkedIn, I know Anand sir has already shown, but if anybody wants to connect with me, have a one-to-one connect there, also wants to know more about me, what was my journey and everything, feel free to connect on my LinkedIn by scanning this QR. Okay, so today actually my main motive is to give some insights about me, and also what could be the thing that you are looking for in this course from me, right? So let me just tell you something about what do I do every day at my work, or what is the thing that I do at EY every day as a lead Power BI developer or a senior analyst, or what is my day-to-day activities, right? So my day-to-day activities are managing the databases, creating Power BI reports, and talking to the clients as well, right? So when I tell talking to the clients, that means that I have to explain them the product that we have built. So a Power BI report or the dashboard that you are going to prepare is nothing but a product, right? That you are preparing for the stakeholders or everything. So I have to explain them that what could be their KPIs or what could be the main thing that they could find from this dashboard, and they make their lives easier as well. So it is a part of convincing the clients as well, right? So the next thing that I would like to address here is that how is the job market right now in the data analyst field, or we can say that in the Power BI dev, since I'll be taking the Power BI thing. So but how is the job market right now concerning the Power BI? I've taken many interviews in UI as well. So but the job market, I would say, is that it is all about skills right now. Whatever Anand sir or me or everyone is doing right now in this course is we are focusing on skills more and doing the practical work that is revolving around the industry, right? We are focusing on the things that would land you in a job. That is something which client wants and that you can showcase over there as well, right? If anybody has seen my videos on Anand sir's YouTube channel, where I have taken 2 or 3 sessions on Power BI, whether it is data modeling or whether it is direct query in Power BI, you could see that I usually talk about experiences and real life industrial practical use cases more than just the concepts, right? Because that is at the end what would help you to land in a job, and land in a better job rather than just a job, land in an efficient job as well, right? After this course, what could be the roles that you can apply for, or once you get the knowledge about just concerning the Power BI, that is data analyst, you can definitely go into the data analyst role. You can go as a business analyst. You can also apply for the role of the business analyst. Now I think there is a confusion between data analyst and business analyst. Not many people know this about, right? So a data analyst is a person that is expected to deliver the product or deliver the job or develop the project as well, right? But a business analyst is a person who has the knowledge about the product, who has the knowledge about the project or the tools that are used. For example, we can consider Power BI, we can consider Snowflake, we can consider AWS. He has the knowledge about. A business analyst is a person who has a knowledge about these things, but his role is to prepare the documentations. His role is to prepare or maintain the project life cycle, right? So there are these are the two main differences between the data analyst and a business analyst. Right. So, but you can definitely apply as a BA or a business analyst roles as well. You can apply for the Power BI role, and but that is the main job, right? If I am teaching you or if I am completing a syllabus right here, so my main objective would be that at the end of the syllabus, you must be able to know the end to end of a whole Power BI project, right? Whether it is starting from the or I would suggest that my end goal, if you see my videos, my end goal would be always to make you understand how a project works and how a project handover is done at the end, right? So I think that is something all about myself, and I would say that go into it. You are doing you are taking a right decision right now by going into this field. You are definitely unlocking many more opportunities, because the at the end everything would be about data itself, right? Feel free to connect with me, and go for it. Just go for it. That's it from mine.
Okay, thanks, Karan. Yeah, so Karan will be our one-man show for Power BI. All your Power BI right from the scratch till then. So he will be the one who will be taking care, right? I'll talk more about who will take what part. Let's keep syllabus completely, and then let's call our another student. Yeah, whom shall I call? Suraj, are you there?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hi. Yeah,
Yeah,
Suraj,
good
over to
morning,
you.
sir.
Walk me through
Yeah,
your
so
journey. Talk about yourself. The floor is open for
yeah,
you. Yeah.
first of all, thank you so much for presenting me here, and wish you everyone a happy Independence Day. So this is Suraj, and if I will tell about my journey, so I've started also from uh, iNeuron, and where Anand sir is teaching us all of the syllabus of data analysis, data analysis, data analyst. So I have learned all of the data analyst skills like SQL, Snowflake, Power BI, advanced Excel, and a bit of Python. So after learning all those skills, I will must say whatever the things I have learned over there, I have within after completing all those skills and courses, within 3 months I have joined one company as a product analyst. And I will must say these all credits go to Anand sir because he has all time told about like must focus on SQL or Snowflake because this is all about bread and butter for data analyst role.
Correct.
You'll have to focus on it because if SQL is not good for you, you cannot work as a data analyst in anywhere. So I have worked on it, and uh, definitely it is best decision for me to join iNeuron and learn with Anand sir. So I will recommend all of you guys like you can definitely choose this course because Anand sir has rich experience in industry. Like whatever things you will learn exact industry relevant things. Like how things are working in industry, how you will have to work on industry, right? So this would be your great decision. So yes, you can definitely join this analytics with Anand courses. I will must add.
Thanks, Suraj. Thanks a lot. So currently, Suraj, where you're working?
So Anand, so actually I'm working as a project coordinator in data analyst in genetics tech, and currently I'm working in Intel project.
Oh,
Directly
wow.
I'm working for Intel project.
Superb, superb. Great, great, great. So
Yes.
what are the tech stacks you're using in your current project as of now?
What sir? Can you repeat?
What is the tech stack? What all technology you're using in your current project?
Okay, so the tech part is SQL, Azure ADF actually, and
Wow.
Power BI is extensive use are there, extensive
Okay.
use, and there is LSPX. It is a Intel's personal application like it is like Jira tool. So we
Okay.
are basically checking all those things in the LSPX portal,
Okay.
and most of part is basically we are handling project part. Basically we are coordinating tool owner of Intel and working with project program manager of Intel actually. So
Okay.
yes, these are and whatever things I have learned is all about you sir. You
Thank you so much.
what things you have pushed all of the student like yes, करना है तो करना है. जब तक SQL and Power BI mastery नहीं होता, you cannot get any job in the
Exactly.
data analyst mastery. Yes.
वही
So
bread and
yes,
butter है.
yes,
Exactly.
exactly. So thank you so much for all of your efforts, sir.
Thanks, Suraj.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next,
Thank you.
next over to you, Pallavi. Yeah. Another student from the previous batch. Yeah, go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Am I
afternoon.
audible?
Yes, 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 you are.
First and foremost, happy Independence Day to each one of us. And I wish this Independence Day will help us get independent in our job progress. So I would like to express sincere gratitude since you have invited me over this platform to express my journey. The journey so far has been so great, and all thanks to you and all the mentors that were there in the academy that helped us and taught us about the relevant skills which are required in the market right now. Am I am a engineer, and I have done like I am a computer science engineer, and post then I had a career gap of around 4 years. So when I decided to pursue my engineering career back, I was like a bit of confused. And while I was searching for the relevant jobs in the market, I got to know about data analytics. And meanwhile, when one of my friends suggested me about iNeuron, and eventually I landed up purchasing a course, and I ended up learning through Anand sir. Anand sir's way of teaching has been a boon for all of us. We had like learned many skills, and it is only through Analytics with Anand, that we can get multiple tools and technologies to get learn under one platform. It is financially viable also. I mean, if we look at the pricing of the tools in the market, those are all very economically not affordable. But then under a certain amount, he has helped us he has helped students like me and all of us to grab a knowledge about the tools, that too so much at affordable prices. So that way I had to express my sincere thankfulness to him, because it is very difficult to get the knowledge of these multiple tools under one platform. Also, during this journey, Anand sir as a faculty had been pushing us to reach our limits. It is only through his networks and his referral that I ended up landing a job as a business analyst in Car Dekho. So he has been there. He has been motivating his students all through the journey. His perseverance, his learnings, his self journey is something that we can look up to. His one motivation all through was don't give up, learn, and only even after landing up a job as a business analyst, I have been following his course. I have been learning through his YouTube videos also that are present, that he has made available for all of us, that too at free of cost. I mean, it is a great help these days. Education is not free at all these days, but how he's helping his students, because he know only a faculty, that too he has been through the same journey, he understands the values, and that is why he has helped us through his YouTube videos also. His networks have been great. It is only through his student that I ended up a job in Car Dekho. It is only now that I am expressing. I have not mentioned since now. It is only through his one of knowns and students that he had given me a referral, and I ended up landing a job in Car Dekho. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It means a lot. It means a lot. You actually, this is a very good day that we can, express our thankfulness to you, that you have helped us get independent in our lives by earning and, showing us the right way and pushing us to our limits. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thanks a lot, Pallavi. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for coming. Next, last, we have, I think, Manisha. Yeah, Manisha, over to you.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me in this live session to share my journey and experience. So my name is Manisha, and I have done BTech and currently working as a data analyst. So in the final year of my BTech, I got to know there is something called data industry field, which was booming at that time. So after researching more about it, I decided to take this course and started my journey. So after completing this course about 8 to 9 months later, I got a job as a data analyst, and I'm grateful to Anand sir and this course. So yeah, this was about my journey, and I would like to focus on 3 major points about this course. So first, in today's market, these tools and techniques covered in this course are widely used. And second, affordable price. And third, which is the most important thing. So this will help you to provide practical knowledge, including projects and real world examples, like how in a reality things actually work in a company. So this will also help you to build a strong portfolio and boost your confidence during your interviews. So I would like to recommend this course to upskill yourself. So keep learning, keep growing. So
Thanks,
that's
Manisha. Thanks a lot. Thanks to each one of you, those who have shared your valuable insights, valuable feedback, and thanks to each one of the faculty at Analytics with Anand for throwing the light on the technology and how this course can be beneficial to each one of us. Those who are watching us live across the country, you have seen how people from the non-technical background have done a successful transition into the data analytics. All it needs is your patience, dedication. You have to study honestly with a dedication, right? You have to spend at least what I would expect from each one of you. If you have enrolled in this course, if you are willing to enroll in this course, you have to spend 2 hours at any cost. Minimum 2 hours is required. Do not opt this course just for the sake of completion. No, that will not help you. This is a very exhaustive course. पसीने छूटेंगे ऐसे कोर्स हैं, ठीक है? तो you have to spend 2 hours every day. So see your household situation, how currently you are placed in, and try to have 2 hours of every day, because you cannot lag into in this course. There are some 10 to tech stacks and 5 are mandatory. Anyone, those who are joining this course, those who are from a non-technical background, even if you are from technical background, Excel is the first most skill. You have seen how Abhay has told you about. All right, in his interview, X lookup function was asked. So Excel is the foremost starting point for you all. Next come your SQL, which is bread and butter. SQL we are practicing both on MySQL, the studio, right, workspace, and also we are practicing on the Snowflake, which you are seeing as a part of my YouTube channel. Right. Next comes your Python, which Prachi will be taking. Python is very, very important. The fourth comes is your Power BI. Without data visualization, you cannot expect your journey being as a business analyst or being as a data analyst, which Karan, our superhero, is there for you all. Right. So these 3-4 technology, and also I forgot to add one most important point. These days, what I am seeing, the current role which companies are offering, they have become quite hybrid. One ETL tool is must. What is ETL tool? Extract, transform, and load. Where you can do all the juggling around with your data, where you can play around with the data, you can do all the cleaning stuff, everything with the data with the help of ETL tool. Like a flick, you can do it. So one ETL tool which we're gonna study, 2 ETL tool which you're gonna study in, of course, is Alteryx and Matillion. Matillion is the key. Those who have 3 years of experience into the data analytics industry, hear me out straightforward. This is, I'm telling you clear. Do not continue your journey as a data analyst or a business analyst after 3 years. No, this job role is not meant for you. Until 3 years, if you have delved into the data analytics, business analyst, leave that job and focus in the data engineering segment. Learn AWS, which I'll be teaching you. Learn Azure, right? Learn Matillion, learn Alteryx. Matillion and Alteryx will be coming as a part of the course. You don't understand the power which Matillion and Snowflake holds in the current industry. Ashish, I'll be sharing his video. This guy landed a job from with 200 to 300% hike just by learning Matillion. Just one tool. So if you are experienced candidate, if you have 3 years of experience, hear me out louder. Do not continue with your data analytics or business analytics job role. This no one will tell you ever. But I'm telling you straightforward, this role is not meant for you. 2-3 years is enough. Enough being as a Power BI, enough as a data analyst or business analyst. Switch your role from data analyst, business analyst to your data engineer, and entire 3 years experience, I'll make you help how you can showcase as a data engineer profile. So this is the time. And data engineering courses also, I'm launching it live. I think one of my students who had a very, very really great offer, Ronu Mohanty is here. I would like to ask him to share his insights, how coming from a non-technical background, coming from a sales background, how this guy has landed a phenomenal and magnificent figure job. And I think 2 days back only he has joined the company. Ronu, over to you before I share the syllabus and walk through the content. I think he has joined quite late. Yeah, Ronu, if you can hear me out, if you can turn on your mic and shed some light. Yeah, he's there.
Yeah. Hi, Anand. Hi, everyone. My name is Ronu. I come from a different background altogether. It was never related to complete data analytics, complete data science. I had no relations whatsoever with the subject altogether. So that's when I stumbled upon this to to learn about data more than cracking a job. It was more about building myself, learning, and utilizing data in my day-to-day activities. So I didn't take it as something like I'm looking out for a job. I should search for a job. I should get into a company, get some salary. I had never looked into this thing just like that. I mostly I just saw it as an opportunity where I can utilize the same thing and learn more about it and use it into my day-to-day life. And that's when things started changing. Because data is one thing where you can use it at wherever you are, you can utilize data. You cannot mix operations with anything, but you can definitely mix data with a lot of things. And the world is moving in that direction. When someone asks you which is the most powerful entity in the world, some might say it's the US Army, some might say it's the Chinese Army, but I would say it's Mark Zuckerberg, who is actually the most powerful man in the world, who holds something which is dear to everyone, and there is no monetary sum to to accept it, and that's data. So data, if you know how to manipulate data, if you know how to do that thing, show it in a story, I think the world is there for you to conquer. I realize more. I realized that building expertise technically in a span of 6 or 7 months would not be that great, because I will be competing with people with more than 7 years, 8 years of experience. What I realized is I should show the interviewer that I am someone who can use, no matter what sort of data is presented to me, I should be able to derive insights out of it. Because my role as a data analyst or maybe a data scientist is not to do complete mastery into something, but rather I am ultimately doing it for a business entity. And if the business is not thriving, there won't be any necessity of a data scientist or a data analyst or anything for that matter. So I was in a cross-functional role, which involved data analysis, which involved all of that, but not completely full-fledged data analysis. So I showed that expertise, and gladly things helped out. Anand helped me in building my expertise. I mean, all of these people here are really friendly. You can really rely on them. It's if you look at the course fee and everything, it's relatively small in comparison to other institutes, which are abnormally high. But in comparison to, the best part is the person who teaches you have the access to him every now and then. You have that access anytime you can reach him or. And I don't find many courses wherein you find that direct access. Either you get it through WhatsApp or maybe and they come up with a statutory condition that your answers will be replied in at least 24 or 48 hours. But here it's not nothing of that sort. You can text in. And the people from other domains, there are people with Snowflake expertise, but still they're learning Snowflake. They have worked in Snowflake for more than 5 years, 6 years, but still they're learning, because it has come recently, and it has taken the entire market by storm.
Entire market,
You're
yes.
talking about Matillion and stuffs. These are all connected, and once you learn that SQL thing, things will work out. And I had never thought that I will be giving an interview to a company in the next 2 or 3 days, and that too, this is going to work out.
So tell me, everyone, one thing, how it was challenging to learn SQL coming from a non-technical background, since you said that you never coded and then.
I had overall thing, since I will tell you my story. I had people under me who are data analysts. I had people under me who were into these sort of things. I was doing it. It was something like you are managing doctors, but you didn't know what biology is.
Exactly.
It is something of this sort. Therefore, I had to learn it by any. I would tell you that this is going to work out. This is not going to work out. But if someone would ask me like why this is not working out, to figure out that why, I need to learn the course. And the reason why I've joined from my work email ID is only to showcase that yes, I have joined a company, not because people really value your skill. They do not. It doesn't matter which background you come from. If I can tell you, the people, my manager comes from a commerce background. Who would have thought a commerce guy to manage a data analysis team of more than 60 people? So there are people who are from statistics background, the people from arts background who have done good. So this is something wherein company is not hiring you based on your educational qualification. It is based on your skill that the company is looking at. And in the interview, when they asked me like what you have done, I told them very humbly that I come from a domain which is not completely into data analytics, neither it was completely off data analytics. I was somewhere in mid, wherein I can go to any extent. And that's the part of MySQL. MySQL, you can correlate it as it's just like a salt to data analysis. Without salt, no food will be tasty, right? So therefore, MySQL is that component wherein you have to add it. Without MySQL, there is nothing, either it's visualization or anything. MySQL is the basic entity which you'll have to learn. Not just as data analyst, but anyone who will have to handle data in the near future, he or she has to know MySQL, very comprehensively. And that is why things will go out. There's still a lot to learn. There's still a lot to explore. This is something wherein you cannot say that I know in and out of MySQL. It's not practically possible. You'll have give your time, and eventually you will learn. This course will set you the path from where you can go to any extent possible. It is not like, don't look at this course as, this is the be all and end all of everything. No, it's not. It has to be mentioned very categorically. But one thing is assured, that when you go through a proper path, you will have an inspiration to learn. You will have an inspiration to know things, and that is exactly how things will go, and you will learn. It is MySQL and Snowflake are both connected. You can learn it drastically. If you have any specific questions, I can answer.
Thanks, Ronu. Thanks a lot. Yeah, if anyone wants to reach out to him, feel free to reach out to him. His ID I'll share on LinkedIn. Yeah. Thanks, Ronu. Now, guys, I'll make you a walkthrough of the entire syllabus, which you guys have been waiting for. Let's discuss the course now in depth. Okay, I'm sharing my screen, and feel free to post your queries anytime you have any. Yeah. Before this, I forgot to talk about one of our of my ex-student who bagged a really magnificent figure job in the Matillion segment. He is Ashish. Unfortunately, his mother is not keeping well, so he's in hospital. So he has recorded a video and shared with us all. So let's watch this video before going into the syllabus. Just 2 minutes video, I think so. Let me share my screen quickly, and then we'll see how it goes. Yeah, 1 second. Share sound. Share. Let me know if you can hear him out.
Hi all, this is Prem here. And first of all, I like to apologize to Anand sir for not coming online. The reason is that there was an urgency in my family. So let me walk through my journey with Analytics with Anand. Okay. And why I have joined. And the reason all this I'm going to explain. And what I achieved at last. Okay. So I joined, if I can remember, I have joined last year. Sir has started this course last year on 15th of August. So I joined and enrolled in analytics. Why I have enrolled? Because I am also carrying 6 years of experience in Power BI, Tableau, and all this stuff in data analytics. But still, I was not getting that much of paid, even though I work for the product-based company. According to my experience. So I have seen this course, and another Anand sir has came with a unique tool, that is Matillion, that is nobody knows till now in the market. Okay, so I thought that it get excited to me, like what was the new tool and how it's going to be going to be a future. So I connected with Anand sir, and Anand sir has explained that how it works. And let me frank to you guys, like after learning this tool, like only Matillion, you can get hike up to 150%. It's depend on the client and the budget and how you are negotiating it. Okay. Recently, I got an offer for two job offer only in Matillion itself, and they are going to pay me a huge amount. Okay. So let me tell you, like Snowflake Matillion itself is going to give you the huge amount of money that you are looking for. For a fresher, I can say that you can go on the path of Python, all this stuff, but in between you need to learn the Matillion also. Somewhat like if you have a experience around 2 to 3 years, you can try into the Matillion and you can easily get it. Okay. There are some vacancies also, if you know that vacancy and you have done only one project of Matillion, that you can directly enter into the ETL developer or like full-time ETL developer. Okay. It's totally dependent how you are going to motivate yourself to learn new things. Okay. Anand sir is always very useful and like always ready to help you. Like if I take my conditions, like whenever I used to reach to Anand sir, he is always ready to help me. Okay. First of all, like whenever you are learning a new tools, you should come to the Anand sir with a doubt and all this stuff. But now here, if I can see in analytic, Anand sir is forcing the candidate that you need to do these and that things. You first, if you are enroll something to the course, your focus should be there only itself. But first time I have ever seen that the teacher is forcing to the students, like You need to do that. You need to achieve that and all this stuff. Okay. Now, as I earlier mentioned that Matillion and Snowflake is going to be a very crucial for the future also. If you learn that, like your 5 to 7 years of your future will be stored, because the future is Matillion only itself. Okay. If you learn, it is very good tool. Let me tell you that it is a very, very, very good tool. And like if you know, like parallelly, if you are learning the Snowflake and DBT also, like it is going to be like bolte हैं ना, like if you are learning something new and you are going into the market, that you are far ahead to the other candidates. Okay. And you will become the teacher most probably. Like the people are going to come to you to learn that subject. Okay. It's like that only Matillion. Like in industry, nobody knows about till now Matillion. Now the jobs are coming. Okay. So it's always recommended to prepare before, and once you are prepared, and try and get the job. Even that if you are asking the high amount, they are going to pay you, because like they are not finding any resource for the material. Okay. So what I can say, like conclusion is that happy learning, and I like to thank Sananswer also for my growth, the way that I'm growing, and Anand I'm taking the guidance from the Anand sir, and it was great. So thank you, Anand sir, and yeah, I hope like I will keep on learning the new tools, and we all the students parallelly will grow. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ashish. So that was Ashish. I think he's recording this video from the hospital. Imagine his mom is not keeping well still. Still, he got some time and recorded for all of us. So yeah, that was his journey. So anyone who had experience, 3 to 4 years of experience in the data analytics segment, business analysis, this is the time you need to hit into the data industry, and Snowflake and Matillion will help you in that. Now, let's go back to the entire syllabus, entire job guarantee program, entire data engineering program. Now the time has come when I'll walk through the entire syllabus, what we're going to cover in this course, which is commencing today. So those who are watching this live course is getting kick-started with Python from 3 p.m. So you have 2 hours of time, right? Which you feel free to enroll. After this, no more further enrollments into this course. Okay, so let me share my screen quickly and let me give you a walkthrough. Okay. So as I said, so this is all the courses which you can go to analyticswithanand.in, and you can find the job guarantee program or master data analytics version 2.0. Now, before going to the syllabus, let me explain you the difference between this master data analytics version 2.0 using cloud technology and AI and job guarantee program. Entire syllabus, both of them cover the same thing. There is no difference. Then why the price difference is? One price will come 7,000 after discount, other price will come some 32,000 after this job. The difference being that another one is the job guarantee. So how does job guarantee work? Suppose course is getting started today. It's a very 8-month exhaustive course covering wide variety of topics, wide variety of modules. After your course completion, say in March, we will be having buffer of 6-month duration. So count March 6 months till your mid-October. If you don't get job by mid of October next year, your 20,000 will be refundable. 10,000 I will charge you for the course fee. 20,000 is straight refundable. No question asked, nothing. I'm not able to provide you a job, nothing. You take your money, go back and search on your own. But that should not be your go-to on attitude, because I have done multiple ties with multiple companies, multiple consultants are there. So it's my responsibility so that you can land a successful career. I'll make you land, right? Minimum package also, I can straightforward you 40,000 in hand salary you will get. That's have my word, right? 4.8 LPA, 5 LPA, let's keep it around. That you will have for sure shot, irrespective of background. All I need is a basic graduation. You should not be having any backlog in your graduation. That is very, very important. 60% marks I would need. Below 60%, I won't be able to help. Do not enroll in this course if you don't have 60%. No, it won't work, right? 60% I need at least. Right, 7 CGPA should be there. Even if it is 6.5, it's fine. Those who are from the BTech background. For the non-technical folks, 60% I need throughout 10th, 12th, and your graduation. 60% should be there. Right. So, job guarantee program, you will have a separate mentor allocated to you. Separate interview session will be planned on Python, Excel, any module which you study as a part of this course. Every module you will have interview from the faculty which you saw it here, from the industry expert. Module-wise module will make you strong. SQL will make you strong. SQL I will take. Python Prachi will make you strong. And anytime you are stuck anywhere, every day, 2 to 3 days, mentoring will be there. I'll have a discussion with you every week, connect with you. So many things will go into your personal development. Suppose you're not fluent with English. Rohit was saying in the chat, sir, I'm not fluent with very communication skills is not bad. You will have separate communication sessions from the different experts from the industry. All those I'm bringing into the job guarantee program. Plus, you will have internship experience certificate also coming handy. That also is a part. Free of cost. You don't have to pay a single penny after that. Right? If you enroll in job guarantee program, then who will opt for Master Data Analytics version 2.0? People who are from technical background, who have basic knowledge of SQL, but they want a higher package. They want to enrich their profile. They want to enhance their profile. They will go for Master Data Analytics. B.Tech people can opt for Master Data Analytics program, but all those job guarantee program, which extra facility do you get, that you won't be getting. This is just a course. You do it. I'll help you make your resume. I'll help you make you, a referral. All those things I'll do. But there's no job guarantee. That you have to take on your own. So if you are from a B.Tech background, if you think money is a hindrance in your journey, it's an obstacle, you don't want to opt for job guarantee program, before enrolling in any of these courses, do not directly buy from here. Do not directly buy from here. Please give me a call. You have my number, you have my email ID, because I need to assess your profile. Where do you stand? I need to assess your profile. Where do you stand? Based on that, I will recommend you. Right? Do not simply go at Analytics with Anand, okay, and just buy simply. No, that's how it doesn't work. Give me a call. There's no salesperson here. I'm the only one sold bread and butter for you all. Give me a call. You have my number. Any YouTube channel you go, you'll have my number over there. Right? Also, I'll be sharing the number in the chat soon. So you have my number. Feel free to call me. Discuss your case. I will analyze your case, and then you can go ahead. All this program, you can buy it on EMI. Any program, be it job guarantee program, apply the coupon here, which you see the coupon, and you will get this, and you can get this course and fill out your details, and you can buy it on EMI. 6-month EMI facility is there for job guarantee program, and 3 months EMI is there for your Master Data Analytics version 2.0. Coupon code expires in 1 day. Take also. Coupon code expires in 1 day. So today is the last offer which you can get in 6927. Before opting for any of these courses, make sure you give me a call. Make sure you give me a call. That is very, very important. Right? कोई भी background हो, fresher हो, non-tech हो, irrespective of any background, I will show you 5 LPA minimum package. Straightforward. No one can claim this. अभी तक कोई कोर्स ऐसा नहीं आया है पूरे यूट्यूब के इंडस्ट्री में, पूरे डेटा एनालिटिक्स इंडस्ट्री में जो जॉब गारंटी प्रोग्राम दे. तो मैं कैसे गारंटी दे रहा हूं? मैं इसीलिए दे रहा हूं गारंटी. द रीजन आई एम गिविंग यू गारंटी बिकॉज़ इट्स अ मनी बैक. अगर जॉब नहीं लगा, if due to some XYZ reason, if you don't have a job within 6 months, you take your 20,000 back. You take your 20,000 back. But there are terms and conditions. You have to study a lot. Right? It's not that course लेके बैठ गया, अच्छा आनंद सर सब कुछ करेंगे, आनंद सर ही कॉल करेंगे. नहीं, तुमको भागना है. मैं तुम्हारे घर में रोटी लेके नहीं आ रहा हूं. You have to work hard in order to excel. I am there just for a guidance. गिरोगे मैं उठाऊंगा. Right? I am here as a mentor. जिम जाते हो, जिम में बॉडी बनाते हो. जब कोई ट्रेनर आता है तो कैसा बॉडी बनता है? खुद से बनाते हैं बॉडी तो 6 महीने 1 साल लगते हैं. जैसे ही ट्रेनर आता है बॉडी 1 महीने 2 महीने 3 महीने में डंडे मार मार के वर्कआउट कराता है ना. जहां तुम 10 रेपिटेशन कर सकते हो चेस्ट प्रेस का, वहां वो 20 रेपिटेशन तुमसे करवाएगा. क्यों? तो I am there. I will throw a light on you. I'll showcase you the path. All you have to do your hard work. If you are not a hard work person, if you cannot devote 2 hours, do not opt for this course. मुझे कोर्स नहीं बेचने हैं. ठीक है, मुझे करियर बनाना है तुम लोगों का. अगर 2 घंटे नहीं दे सकते हो, do not opt for any of these courses. This course is not meant for you. Irrespective of background, whether you are a BCA, MCA, hotel management, whether you are a sales professional, whether you work as a sales guy, whether you work as a mall, whether you are a security guard, Swiggy, Zomato, doesn't matter at all. I'm here to make you a data analyst. That's my guarantee. You have to blindly trust on me. Yes, when I say you have to blindly trust on me, right? You have to have full faith on yourself. You have to have patience. You have to have passion. You have to have commitment, dedication, consistency. सारा चीज चाहिए तुम्हें. एक इंसान बना दूंगा मैं. राइट? ऑल आई नीड इज योर 2 hours ऑफ एवरी डे. बुखार आए, सर्दी आए, घर में बीमार, माँ बीमार, बाप बीमार, बहन बीमार, ये नहीं है, शादी पार्टी वार्टी कुछ नहीं सुनूंगा मैं. 2 घंटा चाहिए तो मुझे 2 घंटा चाहिए, राइट? आंधी तूफान आ जाए, जिंदगी में कितना ही कुछ आ जाए, 2 घंटा मुझे चाहिए. तभी ये कोर्स ऑप्ट करो. ये उडेमी का कोर्स नहीं है, नॉर्मल कोर्स नहीं है ना. मैं कोई यूट्यूब चैनल देखता हूँ कि कौन क्या पढ़ा रहा है, मुझसे कोई मतलब नहीं है, राइट? ये मेरा कोर्स है. तुमने सुना नॉन टेक 1 साल भी लगता है लोगों को, राइट? बट तो मैं तो तुम्हें 6 months में बनाने जा रहा हूँ. 6 months is enough for me, right? How will AWS team help in building this? That's my responsibility. I will guide you. Leave that on me. That's my responsibility. How to build your resume, how to build your LinkedIn profile. बहुत कुछ है इसमें, right? How you can develop an art of talking in front of the client, in front of the stakeholder. Your communication skill. English बोलने नहीं आता है, कोई बात नहीं. पूरा data analyst तो communication skills पे ही है. So don't worry about that. That's my headache. That's my job. You do your job, I will do my job, right? All I'm asking is you have to study, study, study. मैं कुछ नहीं सुनूंगा. घर में शादी है, पार्टी है, ये बीमार, वो बीमार, हॉस्पिटल चला गया. हाँ, जब तक तुम बीमार नहीं पड़ते हो तब तक नहीं, ठीक है? तुमको बुखार हो गया, सर्दी हो गया, जुकाम हो गया, हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गया, वो अलग है एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर. उसमें आई एम देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट, ठीक है? अभी देखो, आशीष हॉस्पिटल में है, मम्मी बीमार है, फिर भी वो वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके मेरे को भेजा. क्यों? वो चाहता है तुम लोगों को इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचे. तो मैं ये नहीं सुनूंगा घर में ये बीमार है, बच्चा बीमार है, सुबह से खाना नहीं खाया है, खाना बना रही हूँ, ये कर रही हूँ, वो कर, वो मैं नहीं सुनूंगा. तो कोर्स ही मत लो फिर, ये कोर्स मत लो फिर, ये मत करो, ठीक है? जो सा जिंदगी चल रहा है चलने दो. खुश रहो, टाटा नैनो बाय करो, इंडिका में घूमो बस, राइट? तुम्हारे हालात अगर तुमको मोटिवेट नहीं करते तो तुमको दुनिया में कोई मोटिवेट नहीं करेगा. किसी का भी स्पीच सुन लो, अगर तुम्हारे कहावत है, अगर तुम्हारे हालात तुमको मोटिवेट नहीं करते, कोई मोटिवेट नहीं कर सकता तुम्हारा. यहाँ से सुनोगे, यहाँ से निकाल दोगे. तुम देखो क्या चाहते हो करियर में. अरे अगर मैं रहता, मेरे स्टूडेंट, कोई मेरे पे बेट लगा रहा है, राइट? आई एम दैट हॉर्स जिसने कोई भी मुझ पे पैसा नहीं लगाया है. होता है ना हॉर्स के रेस में, किस घोड़े पे पैसे लगाओ, और उस घोड़े को जीतना होता है. तो मैं वो खिलाड़ी हूं, मैं वो खेल रहा हूं, तुम पे रिस्क ले रहा हूं मैं. सोचो कितना बड़ा बात है. तुमको सिर्फ पढ़ने बोल रहा हूं, ये भी नहीं जॉब लगे तो वो पैसे वापस तुमको मिल जाएंगे. तो तुम्हारा लॉस क्या है? और ऐसा तो नहीं है मैं XYZ इंस्टीट्यूट की तरह, आई वुडंट नेम, आई एम चार्जिंग यू 2 लाख रुपीस, 4 लाख ऑफ रुपीस. टाटा बाय बाय कोई सेल्स पर्सन है, यू आर डायरेक्टली कॉलिंग विद मी, यू हैव माय फोन नंबर, यू हैव माय एवरीथिंग, यू हैव माय ईमेल आईडी, यू हैव माय एड्रेस. तो थोड़ी ये पैसे लेके कोई भाग रहा है, हाँ नहीं, राइट? ऑल आई एम आस्किंग इज योर हार्ड वर्क एंड डेडिकेशन. You have to give every day, right? 2 hours is what you have to give it here, right? Now coming back to the syllabus, what all syllabus we have. What is the class duration? First of all, before going into it, what is the class duration? Every Saturday, Sunday, you will have 4 hours of class, 11 to 1. So we are kick starting with SQL and Python. Today, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Prachi will be taking your Python session, and Saturday, Sunday, I'll start 11 to 1. The reason I have started today, because today is 15th August, Independence Day, right? So we all are free today. So, right, doubt session will be there on Thursday, right? Tuesday, Thursday, 10 to 11 p.m. you might see class. So you cannot afford to skip any of the classes. 2 घंटा अगर नहीं पढ़ोगे डेली तो बहुत दिक्कत होने वाला है इस कोर्स में. तब ये कोर्स तुम्हारे लिए नहीं बना है, ठीक है? मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूं, राइट? देन दिस कोर्स इज नॉट मेंट फॉर यू. 2 hours ऑफ एवरी डे. तुम ऑफिस जा रहे हो, खाना खा रहे हो, नहीं खा रहे हो, उससे मुझे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. 2 hours आई नीड. मैं हर 2 दिन पे फॉलो करूंगा कि कहां पढ़ाई हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, राइट? इफ आई सी यू आर नॉट प्रोग्रेसिंग अहेड, आई विल रिफंड योर मनी, आई विल किक यू आउट ऑफ द कोर्स, ठीक है? बैल बकरी की तरह नहीं ले रहा हूं मैं स्टूडेंट कि 1000 स्टूडेंट ले लिए, 10,000 स्टूडेंट लिए, नहीं. Set of certain student hai, and I'll keep an eye on each one of you. You have to work really, really hard. Weekend, it's a program 11 to 1, right? One module will start and 3 to 5. So we will be commencing with your SQL and Python. SQL on Snowflake and MySQL. Python, Prachi will discuss, and I will take SQL. So you have to practice every day, 2 hours. Abhi se leke next 8 months, do not plan any your travel. Travel December mein karna, when you will get an off for 1 to 2 weeks, but do not plan any travel. 1 week का क्लास छूटेगा, 4 hours का क्लास छूट जाएगा, बहुत दिक्कत होगा कोप अप करने में. You cannot cope up classes at Analytics with Anand. It's really, really difficult to cope up. The reason is I'm coming back to the syllabus now. We will be starting with Excel, which is a self-paced course. Excel, nobody will be teaching you. Excel is a self-paced course. Only Pushkar will come at the end, where AI part will come into picture. Any of this course, as the name suggests, Master Data Analytics using cloud technology and AI is always at the end. SQL खत्म हो गया, AI लास्ट में. Snowflake खत्म हो गया, AI लास्ट में. Python खत्म हो गया, AI लास्ट में. ठीक है? First we'll start from the complete basics, because few folks are here, not few. Majority of folks are here from the non-technical background. So we'll start from the complete scratch. Data analytics का D भी नहीं आता होगा वैसे. कैसे कंपनी ऑपरेट करती है, क्या होता है डेटा एनालिस्ट, क्या होता है बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, और कैसे हम कवर करेंगे. So Excel is your self-paced course which you have to study every day. Right? At the end of every module, you will be having interview. Pushkar will take your interview on Excel. Once you have covered with an Excel, I will schedule a call with Pushkar, one-on-one call, and these all are a part of job guarantee program. This is not a part of Master Data Analytics course. All I'm saying about the extra functionality which you get is a part of job guarantee program. That's why that is cost 32,000 rupees. Right? Then you will be having SQL. Right? Excel is a self-paced course. No one will be teaching you. SQL, the entire SQL syllabus, right? Which I'll be taking care completely. No one else will take. And few times, sometimes here and there, if I am off due to some reason, I will ask Karan to take that. Next, you have the entire Snowflake, everything in depth using AI part, Snowflake, Cortex, right? Entire thing, everything in Snowflake. Apart from the 40 lecture videos, which you see it on YouTube, coupled with that, you will have all this AI part. Document AI, Snowflake Copilot, building a natural processing pipeline, RAG-based document chatbot, transcribe analysis audio files, and all these things. AI will come at the end. That's why it's an 8-month extensive and exhaustive program. You will get exhausted. वो होगा ही होगा. लेकिन इसके बाद जिंदगी में कभी पीछे मुड़ने का देखना नहीं होगा. You will be ahead 5 years in your career. इतना कुछ तुमको आ जाएगा कि you will skim your interview like a cakewalk. तुमको कहीं से और कुछ नहीं प्रैक्टिस करना है. जब मैं ये बोल रहा हूं कि इस बुक के बाहर कहीं नहीं आएगा, तो इंटरव्यू में कहीं क्वेश्चन आने का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं उठता है. Right? You have to blindly trust on me when I say that. जो मैं बोल रहा हूं, you have to do that blindly. Right? You have to do that blindly. So all this, then you have Power BI. Power BI, you know, Karan will be taking everything in Power BI. Everything, Karan will be taking Power BI. AI part we have not added. We'll see if we can add the AI component also in Power BI. Right? So we'll take everything in Power BI, and these courses are not upper. पूरे depth में, so that any 3 years, 5 years candidate can also excel in the interview. From basic till pro advanced level, everything we have covered. Next, we have Tableau. Tableau again will be a self-paced course. Jay will be taking only the project section, right? He has taught Tableau in such a phenomenal, magnificent way. You can feel free to go ahead with the Tableau also. Then we'll have a Python. Python Prachi will be starting, as I said today. Then you have MongoDB, which again your Anand will be taking care of. Entire MongoDB. You have Matillion, the hot keyword, the hot buzz, the hot technology, which is currently trending across India and Europe, and your package will shoot like anything if you just master Snowflake and Matillion. So one ETL tool is must for each one of you. Without ETL tool, you cannot land a job these days in the data analytics business analyst segment. Matillion. Then we have an Alteryx, right? Then we have an Alteryx. Then we have a statistics, right? Statistics I have updated syllabus. A very eminent teacher, faculty from the industry experts, he will be coming here, right? Then we have R programming. R programming, again, I'll be taking care of entire statistics R programming. Then you have the VS. This is the costliest technology. This is the costliest software which you can find in the market. Not every company uses it, right? Every company uses it. So we'll talk about this entire VS. This is a very, very highly costly tool. You won't get a license even, right? So we'll discuss about the VS, and then we'll have Azure, which your Uttam has taken, and Priya will be taking, and then you'll having AWS at the end. Look at the course depth. So this is all about the syllabus which you are having in the job guarantee program for Master Data Analytics, also as a part of Master Data Analytics program. Then we have another program, Master Data Engineering using cloud technology. Now this course is meant only for those who have 2 years of experience in the data analytics industry. Do not opt for this course if you have not worked 2 years in the data analytics segment. If you have not worked for 2 years in the data analytics segment. So what all will be covering? We will be covering Snowflake entirely. We will be covering Python. We will be covering PySpark, which your Uttam has just said. We'll be covering the entire PySpark, where entire syllabus you can see. Syllabus already is there in the course link, which you can go and have a look. We'll cover MongoDB. We'll cover Matillion, Alteryx, VS, AWS, and Azure. right? Course fee is just 5,000 rupees for this master data engineering using cloud technology. So this is meant only for those who have 2 years of minimum experience working as a data analytics, right? You can also opt for Matillion. If you are thorough with the data analytics and data engineering industry, if you have 3 to 4 years of experience, blindly go ahead with the Matillion. If you are on 5 lakh package, your package I'll make it 12 lakh. If you are on 12 lakh package, I will make it to be above 20. Snowflake and Matillion, each one of you, irrespective of your background, if you are enrolling in any of these courses, you have to do Snowflake and Matillion. That is a must. You should not escape that, right? So this is all about the course which we are offering as a part of Analytics with Anand Job Guarantee Program, Master Data Analytics version 2.0, and your Matillion and Cloud Engineering. Anytime if you want to enroll in any of these courses, you have my number. Kindly do not enroll directly. Feel free to speak to me, right? You have all of these courses on EMI except data engineering. Rest, Job Guarantee Program, you can have on 6 months EMI, and Data Analytics version 2.0 if you have 3 months EMI also, right? So this is the entire syllabus which is a part of Data Analytics Program. And also, as you know, as I have my YouTube channel, so I'll be keep coming live now and then on my YouTube channel. Also, if due to any financial reason, if you are not able to enroll in any of these courses, feel free to give me a call. I will see what best I can do it for you. That's all I have from my side. Floor is open for you. Any doubt, feel free to go ahead and ask. Anyone is having any doubt, right? Yeah. Floor is open for you all. So just let me know if you want to have any concern, any doubt. Yeah. Any Pratik and all of those who are watching me live. Shridi, I hope your doubt got resolved. Right? Anyone has any concern? Or we are good to wrap up the session. I think I have covered everything. Entire syllabus, everything in the course link. You can find this, all the syllabus link and everything. Right? And today is the last day to enroll. Today is the last day to enroll. From Saturday, today onwards, 3 p.m., we are starting the course with the Python. So if you just want to enroll in Python also, you can enroll. Just feel free to explore analytics.anand, right? Analyticswithanand.in, where you'll be having all the courses over there. Okay? No one is having any questions? Okay, I think we are good. Thanks to each one of you for coming live here. Thanks to all my ex-students, those who are doing really well in their career. They are still learning, they are still on the verge of learning, and they will continue learning with analytics.anand.in. And thanks to each of the faculty for making such great courses here, and soon we'll be adding more such courses in the upcoming days also. Sir, when we will start AWS? AWS, I'll start to. Once this basic things will get over, AWS probably will start in November. Patrika, not now. AWS will start probably in November. Yeah, once your SQL and Python gets over, because that is the prerequisite. That is the prerequisite. Once SQL and Python is done, then we will be good to start with AWS. Right? AWS is also must. Right? I have a very good faculty. I think he will be joining soon for AWS. So don't worry, I'll keep you all that posted. Yeah. Sir, I have a concern regarding marks in HSC graduation. What is the concern, Rohit? Okay, we'll speak on the call. You have my number. Just feel free to speak me on the call. So I think already the session went for 2 hours. We have a session lined up at 3 p.m. I'll see you all there. You have 2 hours of time. Those who wants to enroll, feel free and go ahead and do recommend this course, and do subscribe to Analytics with Anand channel and transform your data analytics journey. I'm here to take your career to the next level. That's all. Wishing everyone a very, very happy Independence Day. Goodbye and enjoy your day. Have a lovely event. Okay. Bye-bye.